So we're going to be working with some advanced functions, beginning with the Countif function. And this function is similar to count in that it counts the number of cells. But Countif is different because it counts cells based on a single condition. So what we're going to be doing is counting the number of occurrences for A+ paint and body in our repair shop column. And we're going to be putting that value into L4. So we're going to be using the Countif function. And to enter that function, what we're going to do is click on the Insert Function button. And then we're going to select the statistical category. And we're going to kind of scroll down here and look for Countif. And then we're going to click OK. And for our range, we have the range of cells in I4 through I24 named, and the name that's given to that range is rep shop. So we are going to key in rep shop, and then the criteria, what it should be looking for is A+ paint and body. Okay, that is our criteria. So we're going to go ahead and click OK. And it's returning a 3. And you can verify that number by kind of looking at what's in the column, you know, and counting the number of occurrences to ensure that it is correct. And then our next step is going to be to come down to L5 and enter Countif again. But instead of hard coding our criteria, we're going to have it look at the contents of the cell right next to it, which is K5. So if we look at our previous function, you'll notice that A+ paint and body is kind of hard coded in there. And what we want is to count the occurrences of JFJ auto and Logan's auto body and West collision. So instead of hard coding that in there, what we're going to do is have it look at these cells, and that will allow us to copy the function. So we're going to key in equal Countif, and then we'll do a left parenthesis. The range is still rep shop, and we'll put in a comma. And the criteria now is going to be the contents of cell K5. So we're going to put in the right parenthesis and press enter. Okay, and it is returning 9, and you can go through and count. There are quite a few of them in there. And what we're going to do is grab that fill handle and drag down, and then you'll notice that it's still looking at rep shop, but now it's looking at K6, which is Logan's auto body, and on the next one, still looking at that rep shop range, and it's looking for West collision. So at this point, we are done with our Countif functions, and we're going to save our changes.